Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate that. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Sorry. Today what we are going to do is just to analyze a couple of ideas, like randomly, on TradingView. You know that on TradingView you can post your own ideas. You can post your own yes, trading ideas and analysis and stuff like that. I just wanted to, take a couple of them, like randomly, and analyze them with you, so you can learn how to be critic in some sort of way, and how to filter some sort of information, and how to, get the most out of them. I don't usually do it. I use my own ideas, to be honest, but especially if you are a beginner, you should yes, have a look at these and see how people analyze and understand what is going on in the market. And so let's jump into it. Let's take a couple of them. Let's take, I don't know, this one. Let me open it in another tab. Yeah, all right. This one, and let's do three of them, okay? And this one, okay? Literally, like randomly. All right. So let's start from the beginning. Okay. So this guy, young bossy, he's looking to short New Zealand against the USD with this setup, updated short. All right. So he's looking to go short. This is his chart. So in his chart, he plotted a moving average 100 periods and a moving average 200 periods. These two moving averages are quite common in the in the spectrum of a technical trader. So yeah, I'm not surprised about that. Yeah. So we have the two EMAs. The two MAs. We have a couple of trend lines, resistance, support, and resistance, and this pattern, which is a double top pattern, and the position, the short position here. So the short here and the stop loss and take profit. Okay, let's see how he analyze and elaborate this idea. So he says the chart, we can see a clear reversal pattern, double top. If you click here, probably you will be on a link anyway, formed, and also a breakthrough the uptrend support that has held for days. All right, interesting. We see that the price is about testing the 0.66177 horizontal support. At this level, I'm expecting a little rejection to the upside before finally breaking through the horizontal support to the downside. We can make our entry with 1 to 3 risk reward, which is quite a lot in my honest opinion. At 0, yeah, these are the levels. Please do let me know your thoughts and questions in the comment section. So you have the comment section here. He had a couple of them. Okay, so let's analyze what he analyzes. All right, so this is for our chart. So it's gonna be a few days trade. Okay, the price is bouncing on top of this resistance area. Here I would have used like a square shape resistance area here. I wouldn't use the horizontal line. The double top, yeah, he's right. He analyzes this like the double top and the and this one. The only thing I don't like very much is when you try to trade with the with this kind of price action pattern, you should respect them 100%, and he's not respecting it 100% because on the manual you should short if the price break through this level, okay? So you should short around here, okay? And this is one of the biggest mistake you can do if you short here on top of it. All right, so double top. All right, yeah, break through this one, and the target should be this one plotted below, so roughly here. And I wouldn't do this because this is a strong strong support level. So I wouldn't take this trade. But maybe he's right, okay? We don't know. We will know, you know, in a few days. Anyway, the second thing I would like to point out is why the stop loss is being placed here. I mean, what is the reason? What is the rationale behind it? I mean, yes, the only one could be that it's above the trend line, but we all know without any doubt that trend lines are there and they are going to be I'd say destroyed, or I'd say, you know, they are there just because you plotted, you know, the trend line, but they are not acting as real resistance or support levels. They are just there just to let you know where the price is going, okay? So they are being plotted just to be violated, okay? So the rationale behind the stop loss, it's not that good actually, to be honest. Here I would have been expected, first of all, like, you know, to be place the stop loss above this recent high, and definitely above the moving average if you are trading out of them, okay? If you're using them, just use them like completely, okay? Don't get me wrong, young bossy, I mean, your analysis is still good, but, you know, I don't really like the arbitrary placement of your stop loss here, since it is not, you know, it has no rationale at all, okay? It's just placed like, you know, like this, like, you know, like randomly, honestly with you, and I don't like it. Same thing, the take profit. I mean, the take profit, it's a little bit better because, you know, he placed it, you know, just above the recent high, even though you could expect here on this area like some sort of rejection, because this is an accumulation area. So if you want to be like, you know, very sure about this, you know, you should place your stop loss like here, okay? Your take profit like here, okay? But, you know, I can understand this, especially if you are managing your position tightly. So when you get here, maybe you drag your stop loss to break even. But, you know, overall, this is a good idea. The only last thing I would say about this is I wouldn't rely just on the double top to have this kind of bias of a reversal, all right? I'm still bullish here. In this specific occasion, I am still bullish. Also, you see, if you're using the moving averages, as I said, please use it. I mean, you see clearly here the two moving averages are aligned for an uptrend. This could be a normal, you know, easy rejection in a lateral area here. So I wouldn't take this trade. This is the bottom line. I would never take this trade, okay? So, you know, maybe you are the best trader, young bossy, in the world, and maybe I'm saying just, you know, something stupid, but I'd say that I wouldn't take this trade anyway. Now, let's go to the second one, the USD CAD. Now, all right, USD CAD, bearish push. This he used question marks, so probably he sorry, my door just rang. Okay, anyway, so he's not like quite sure as well, apparently. But, you know, okay, let's see the analysis. Okay, he's using the RSI, a nice indicator, the MACD, a nice indicator. I use them a lot, and if you've been following me for a while, you see a lot of these indicators used on my charts, on my. But he uses, of course, you know, some kind of trend lines, some resistance areas, and I like it. And the risk-reward ratio here is like crazy, like 1 to 8. Okay, let's see together what he's saying. Here on USD CAD, price has been flowing in a strong bearish trend. Okay, maybe he's referring to the previous one, because in this picture I would never say this is a bearish trend. but probably he is speaking about, you know, the whole picture before this. Currently, but recently has been attempting to push in a bullish outbreak. Okay, yeah, so it makes sense now. Price is failing to reach higher highs, and and has been rejected multiple times with the measured zone of resistance at blah 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 blah. So you see here the major resistance here. On the daily time frame, we can also see an amassed amount of long wicks showing a loss of strength within the bulls, which also depicts a potential opportunity to sell. In this week commencing, I am hoping to see a push up to this level of resistance and to see sign of reversal or failing to reach a higher high to enter into a sell. However, it is also possible to see a break above this level of resistance followed by a retest, which could act as a support for a start of a bullish push. Happy trading. So basically he's saying 50% of the time he's bullish, 50% of the time he's bearish. No, I'm just joking. Iraxular. You're a pro here, so don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm just, you know, making fun of it, but you know, it's yeah, no, he's right. I mean, we had a bearish downtrend, and you know, some sort of correction here. We had a couple of weeks here, a couple of you know, rejection. The price has been rejected multiple times, and it was failing to reach new highs. So I would say here it's a yellow flag. So he's definitely right. I do like it. The thing that I don't really like is why you should place your take profit like down below here, but maybe he has his rationale behind it. This guy is saying, I didn't understand it properly. Can you explain me in short? So another explanation for Iraxular. From what I saw at the time, price was rejecting any movement above level 1.32. I was looking for price to come back up to this level and show yet sign of rejection and a bearish push, but as we can see, USD CAD show up and amassed amount. So probably this was like in the past, and now the price went up a lot. So luckily this guy didn't took this trade, so otherwise it would be having a loss. Yeah, anyway, I mean, this analysis is much better than the previous one, to be honest. I am not happy with the risk-reward ratio because it's quite unrealistic. And you know, sometimes you have, you know, this kind of trades, but they are very rare. As you may have, you know, read in the comments here, indeed, we had some sort of push higher. So it's, yeah, it didn't work out. So yeah, nice analysis. Iraxular or Iraxular, I mean, your nickname. So nice one. Yeah, let's go to the next one. All right, this is a okay. This is a tough one because it's on Binance, so it's a crypto exchange from Crypto Nicho, 21 hours ago. Okay, so this is Ambrose against Bitcoin. Probably this is an altcoin. I don't really know it. I'm not an expert in cryptos. Let's see what he's using. Okay, he's using a couple of weird indicators that I don't actually know. Block Party Master and BPT strategy. All right. So we have this couple of indicators here. Okay, let's read what he's. Okay, this is just a signal. All right. So enter 174, take profit 184, 198, stop loss 151. I mean, this is just like a signal. So I don't know how to analyze this. The fact that he has plotted this position backwards in the past doesn't mean anything to me, because I can, you know, plot this one and take it like here and do the same. You know what I mean? So yeah. Anyway, maybe this is a good one. I don't know. I reserve the right to be silent. So I don't really understand this. I'm sorry. I'm not a crypto guy, not yet. I don't really know. Guys, thank you for being here. It's been 15 great minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, to activate the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Please don't forget to look at the links in the description. Bye.